Hi dears, hi everyone. I hope all are fine. I am a nurse. I am working at ELAJ Medical Center. Now actually I finished my duty, but after finish the duty, I felt I can share with you people regarding something else. Especially today I want to discuss regarding our clinic dental section. Dental is most important actually in our life because too many people are suffering from dental caries, extraction, tooth decay because we are eating too much chocolates and all. Yeah, kids, adults, all the ages, they all are suffering this dental problem. That's why today I want to show you our dental clinic and what the services we are providing here. Okay, actually this our center it's located in near Safir Mall. Actually we have three centers. Okay, this three, all the centers we are providing dental services. Very well equipped instruments are available here and most modern treatment we are giving, and the x-ray machines, everything are most modern techniques and all. And most of them I felt it's they can't afford this high prices and all, but we are providing this very less cost for all the services, especially procedures and all. We are providing 30% discount for all the services. And we have dental surgeon is here, orthodontist is here, GP dentist is here, and a pediatric dentist also we have. That's why full family package we are providing here. Anybody suffering from dental problems, you can visit our medical center. In the last this video I will provide you our contact number, WhatsApp number, and our email ID, everything. Anyone have any doubts related dental issues, they can call here, and our staffs and our receptionists, they will provide the correct information. Sometimes if they want to talk to the doctor also, they can't come here, but they want to discuss something before coming here also, we are providing all that services to them. Okay, and I will show to the dental services. And we have Arabs doctors and here Indian doctors also here. That's why our Indians, Arabs, any countries people can come here and visit the doctors. And the nurses also here, they are also well professional and licensed. All nurses are available here. If you have the language problem, someone is facing any problems, means all the language nurses, doctors, everybody it's available here. And we are providing this dental treatment. Who all are coming here, we are providing this COVID protocols also we are following here. Okay, I will show you our dental clinics. Before I want to introduce our doctors. Okay, we have here doctors, Dr.nada Dr. She is a well experienced doctor. Okay, I got too many patients, I got the comments. She is a very good, because one time they are coming here, every time they want that doctor only, because how she is interacting with the patient also, it's very, I can't express that one. Okay, you people need to come here, because especially she is take care of the kids also. She is very good. Okay, I am preferring you people can visit here and experience our doctors also. And also mostly I want to, actually I make this video, I want to share with you people regarding the braces. Braces, actually too many people they want to do braces, but they don't know where the services they will get it. But our ELAJ Medical Center, we are providing this service. Our doctor name is Dr. Mahesh Kumar Sagar. He is actually in almost 10-20 years he is working here in UAE, and now he is working in our ELAJ Medical Center. Almost 10 years he is working, but he is a well experienced doctor, and still I didn't got any complaint about this doctor, and our all the patients are very satisfied. And the prices also, it's very less, and we have offers also. You can contact and you can ask our offers, you can book the appointments. This doctors every month it's working here 15 days. That's why it's very important. You are suffering from braces, you need to take appointment as soon as possible. Okay, I will show you our all the doctors rooms. Okay, you can check how this is, all the machines, everything, it's newly. Okay, that's why I will show to you all we can take a round. Okay, first I will show, this is actually our Dr. Mahesh Kumar Sagar. I explained before, he is a orthodontist. He is doing all the ortho related cases he is doing here. You can see our chairs, it's All are new chairs, and you can see our X-ray machines here. Yeah, this is the X-ray machine. This is the most modern X-ray machines, okay? And we are providing all the COVID protocols, everything here providing, and we can visit to our another dental rooms also. This is our another dental room. This is our female dentist, Dr.nada. She is working here. Yeah, here also you can visit. Every room there is dental X-ray machine is there, and most modern equipments is here. If you want, I can show you the instruments and also how we are keeping here. Okay, this is all the instruments we are sterilized. We are keeping it very technologically. We are keeping everything here. Okay, I will show to you our another room also. One more room is here. That is Dr. MANHAL Seidan. He is also working here. He is also very good doctor. You people can come and visit our doctors here. Okay, I hope all will come here. I will see you everyone all here. And any contact information, if you want any information regarding our clinics, anything, you can visit here. All can welcome here. Okay, and thank you for watching our videos. Like, share, subscribe all these channels. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you, dear. Subscribe the channel, don't forget. Okay, because if you are subscribing this channel only, what all the videos I will put, you people can see that videos. Okay, I want to introduce our clinics, another laser, all the facilities we have here. I will introduce for you people one by one. Okay, any information if you want, you can call to 0674888808. My name is Ramla. You can, if you want to talk to me also in the reception, you can inform them, I want to speak to Sister Ramla. Okay, I will talk to you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone. Thank you. Have a nice day.